Do you know a single fossil can be worth over $40 million? Crazy part is, there might be one hiding right near your house. You just need the right tools and these simple tips to start fossil hunting today. Tools you'll need: rock hammer, chisels, brush, protective gear, small shovel, and a backpack. Tip number 1. Get outside. You won't find fossils under your bed. Head to riverbeds, cliffs, deserts, quarries, or exposed rock formations. That's where fossils usually hide. Tip number 2. Keep your eyes sharp. Check as many rocks as you can. Look for strange textures, shell patterns, bones, or leaf imprints. If it looks different, pick it up. Tip number 3. Break big rocks carefully. If you find large rocks, use your hammer to split them. Sometimes fossils are hidden inside, like a million-year-old treasure chest. Tip number 4. Dig with care. If you spot something unusual sticking out of the ground or in the sand, use your shovel. Dig gently. Fossils like these are rare, and you don't want to damage them. Tip number 5. Split and discover. Take your collected rocks to a safe spot. Find the natural edges and use your hammer with controlled force to split them. If you're lucky, you might reveal an ammonite, crab, or shell fossil inside. Use chisels to clean it gently without breaking it. And that's your first step into the world of fossil hunting. Who knows, maybe the next big discovery is waiting in your backyard. Thanks for watching and happy fossil hunting!